Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be drawing an ice cream man. When I say ice cream man, I mean ice cream in a cup, and the cup is also a man. So, let's start. So we're going to start off with the ice cream, which is going to be a lump on one side, a lump on the other side, a lump on one side, a lump on the other side, a lump on one side, a lump on the other side. And then this space, we're going to do a big curl and swirl background, and then another lump. So now we are going to, maybe if you need to, even this out, and then draw a curved line underneath, and then add two little circles here and colour them in black. So when you've done that, you will then draw a line going round here all the way until you get to the other side. And now we're going to draw the cup. Just going to be a line and a line, join it down here, and then go down and make another rectangle. Right, now we're going to draw the mouth and the eyes in both of them. So this is going to be the mouth. It's just going to be an upside down half circle. Draw a line under here, colour that in black. And then we're going to do the teeth, which is just going to be a few lines going down here. And the eyes, which are going to be big and round. And then we're going to do a curved line going down here and a curved line going down here. Now we're going to colour in them when we are colouring them in. So now we're going to draw the mouth and the eyes for the cup, which are going to be exactly the same. And make the eyes a bit smaller on here, because we're going to be doing something above the face. And I'll draw the teeth. And now we're going to draw the legs and the hands. And quickly add your snake line again down the eyes. So we're going to draw the arms. And now the feet, like that. Okay, now we're going to write Yeehaw above here. So we're going to do the Y. We're going to do double E. We're going to leave a space, then write Ha. So H-A. Right, now that you've done that, you're going to do the chocolate sauce. Right, so it's going to be line going around here. Maybe you could do it around this eye. And then go up and join here. And then just the same with another line. Like that. And then we're going to go here and go down there and drop. and then finish. Okay, now we are going to colour this in. Right, let's colour it in. Right, now we are going to now do the wafers and the spoon. So the wafers are just going to be a triangle and another triangle. And one is going to overlap the other. Now the other thing we're doing is a spoon, which is going to be a curve, a line, and a line, and then there. Right, we're going to draw the floor. And now we're going to colour in our spoon and our wafers. Okay, so when you've done that, you will have finished. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.